Hi, everyone. In this video, I'm going to present some of the tips to craft effective prompts. You can find the notes for this video lecture in the book LLM Prompt Engineering Simplified, which is free to access and read online. The first tip is be clear and specific. When the instruction is clear and specific, it reduces the risk of misinterpretation and ensures more accurate and relevant responses from the chatbot. The second tip is be concise. Make sure that your prompt is concise, that is, written in a few words. The more concise your prompt, the better the chatbot will understand your prompt. The third tip is use action verbs. Start the instruction element in the prompt with an action verb that tells the chatbot what you want it to do. For example, summarize the given text, write a poem, or generate a tweet. The fourth tip is provide sufficient context. Provide the relevant and sufficient background information in your prompt. This helps the chatbot to understand the broader context and generate more relevant responses. The fifth tip is use delimiters. Delimiters separate different elements of the prompt and help the chatbot to better parse and understand the prompt. The sixth tip is specify tone. Tone determines the style and overall emotion of the generated output. By specifying the desired tone, you guide the chatbot towards generating output that aligns with your desired style and emotional impact. The seventh tip is specify format. Don't forget to specify the desired format for the response, such as a table, bulleted list, numbered list, summary, etc. Without a specified format, the chatbot generates the response in a random way, which may or may not align with your requirement. The eighth tip is specify constraints. Use constraints to limit the scope of the LLM's response, ensuring it stays relevant and focused on your specific needs. The ninth tip is use examples. Specifying examples in prompts is important as they provide concrete guidance for the chatbot to understand and generate the output, which is in line with the given examples. I hope you find this video informative. Like the video and subscribe to the channel so that you won't miss new video lectures. See you in the next video lecture.